Wait, this is so pretty.
So comfortable, but no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you.
It's the housemates. 7 o'clock. Hey guys, welcome to IVEY OWEEK. Yeah. Both twins.
Even the dark, they still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you.
Join the cult. Join the cult.
So lucky I met you. And I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky. And I feel so lucky I met you.
Standing before my mentors and my peers, commit myself to integrity in the practice of business.
To celebrate our centennial year, this year we will have 20 half sections.
You get to figure out which section you belong to.
It's being so fast.
Please turn over your garment. Top right corner, you'll see a sticker.
Oh, it's closed.
So you gotta scratch the sticker. Scratch the stickers.
This is what it looks like.
Yeah, you can use whatever. You can.
Oh my god!
First day debrief. How was it?
It was a lot. I'm very tired. I need a nap.
I want a gift card.
I didn't win anything.
Hi. We need to go to Lost Love tonight.
Magical.
Oh, it's video.
The way I feel when you walk in the room. It's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you.
Hey guys, day 2 of OWEEK. What are we doing today?
How gravity just pulls me right to you. To you. Even the dark, they still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you.
Hello. Welcome to day 3 of OWEEK. Woo! Section 7, skunks. Woo! Skunks!
In the dark, they still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you.
Welcome to section 8, the best section.
I feel
Team, this is learning team 3. We're doing the murder mystery.
Also, it's Sal's birthday. Happy birthday!
for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky. And I
Starbucks gift cards.
Won the murder mystery. That's what I bumped into on the bus. None other than rating a redone house. Our landlord just brought us donuts. Wait. I said it's a welcome back gift.
Wait,
Hold on,
that's
how do
so
I-
nice of them.
Oh! Fly. Wait, kick it up.
Where did it go?
lucky I met you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses led to you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby.
It's day 4, I think, of IVEY OWEEK.
Let's go through it because we'll tell you the real shit that you need to know.
Hi everybody, my name is Carol Go. I'm the VP EDI for the HBAA.
Wait, this is where everyone's gonna come during break everything.
Hey guys, end of day 4. It's actually technically the last day of O week. What are your thoughts on O week so far?
It's been really good. I love my owls.
Oh yeah, my owls. Section 8 owls were like too
Section
good.
10 on top.
Okay, I feel much more comfortable. When I first entered the classroom, I was like really
There's some
scared.
familiar
Like
faces now.
they help you like practice speaking in front of the class, like little presentations and debates. Okay, but how did it make you feel? What's the purpose?
It made me feel like I was in camp.
Okay.
Summer camp. How did it make you feel?
No, it made me feel like I was part of a community.
Summer camp?
Okay, yeah, summer camp. It feels like summer camp. Also, I can just tell from the profs that it's so different from our normal classes, like lectures.
For context, the profs are the ones who rotate through the classroom.
Yeah.
So we stay in the class.
It's truly like elementary school. Like it's good because elementary school does it right. They care about you actually growing as a person, and that's how I feel.
Good debrief.
Hi team. You can fly your dog. Welcome to beach day. We're going to Grand Bend. Ivy Big.
Ivy building.
Ivy Building.
I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to
Hey, what are we doing, Grace? We're gonna run. We're gonna run in the water. It's literally it's like 60 degrees.
on the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you.
How was beach day out of 10? Ivy beach day out of 10. 10 out of 10. No, be honest.
That is honest.
Do you hear my voice? That's how good it is. The water was really cold.
Rachel, what would you rate beach day out of 10?
I would rate a solid 6. It was too cold. It was too cold. What sweater is that?
Oh, you're vlogging? Oh.
Yeah, I'm vlogging. Show us. Desjardins. What the? How was beach day?
It was a little like chilly than we thought, but I got it fucked up.
7 out of 10.
Okay, how about you?
I might be in section 4, but it was an 8 out of 10. Are you trying to
Okay, me.
Section 9 dogs!
No, section 9 on top.
Section 9!
How about you, Anthony?
Section 2, pylon.